Welcome back to Acid Heart on top of the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of GoTV Cable, Wazobia Max UHF 57, and www.wazobiatv.tv/live on top of internet. We don't carry all the action today from this weekend. Drop them down. We start with the first one we get to do with the fuel scarcity issue and the fact say, based on underground pipeline something, our Minister for State for Petroleum don't come and talk, say the government won't try tackle this problem of scarcity and also sabotage. We also discuss the one we get to do with the Vice President when come and talk, say they go change Nigeria for better. Say make Nigerians just under exercise patience based on say now underground something. We also talk about the one when we say the Minister for Power don't come and don't talk, say make Nigerians exercise patience. Sake of say this issue of say light go day, say light go soon day where. We can't top them with two other stories. One about the Minister for Information when come and talk say the Fulani and headsmen Jaguda Wahala say they go soon sort that one. And the one way Saraki talks say now because of say people will not like in face and make the face case for CCT. We get Oga Andy. Oga Andy they call us from Lekki. Oga Andy, good morning and welcome to Acid Heart.
Yeah, brother.
Good morning, Oga Andy.
Yeah, I want to come out for this Fulani headsmen matter.
Feel free.
Okay, they hear you.
You see, that's what word they use, say the thing will end soon. That soon, I not trust that word.
Exactly.
That soon. People will know grammar, they will interpret that soon for you. Because that soon no get end. Because this Fulani headsmen, since 1999, when they travel out from my own state, where I come from, thank God, all this can help them and give them a place for this Okigwe Port-Harcourt Express Road. And they are there now. And still, these people are still doing wrong to our own farmland. And they will pass through in the night, and pass through. And before you come to your farm in the morning, these people have the whole, what do they call it, the whole farmland, the yam, the cassava, they will pull it up from the root. Even our little stream, the stream, these people will shoot, their number will shoot inside the river. And we will not touch water until this thing will go down. And somebody is saying that this will end very soon. And very bad. And look at the killing for Agatu killing. And nobody has said a word. Then if it's not Biafran, those Biafran are agitators that keep person now, then they will take it to ICC. Then the whole world will be against Biafran. Look at the killing.
For inside Agatu. Oga Andy, we don't know your point. Thank you very much. We get Friday. Friday, they call us all the way from Plateau. Oga Friday, good morning and welcome to Acid Heart.
Yeah, Oga Chikudi.
Good morning, Friday.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Would they hear you? Would they hear you?
Yeah, the thing when I hear people, I want to contribute my own about the plan. The thing is very painful. It's very painful.
Okay.
What governor they do for this country, I don't like the thing at all. They are planning, they are killing people for Benue, they are killing people for Taraba. For nothing. No anybody talk about that thing at all. They make them matter like this. It's very painful. I don't like it at all for my life. I don't like it.
Oga Friday, we know say you did very, very pained. We appreciate this talk.
What Nigeria suppose they do? Let them say security. Nigeria security. Let them go there.
Take it very serious.
Let them go ask what bring accounting for this country. Because everything, Barry said what to take Nigeria. You don't talk about that thing. You just another thing. Even budget, you don't carry budget out. You just fire they live plan, they are killing innocent people.
Very true.
Why?
Oga Friday, thank you very much for this important contribution. We know say the government they do their best to see they solve this issue. But like we talk, we don't go wait say very soon. We go continue to put the government on their toes when they do what they're supposed to do. We get Elegushi. Elegushi, they call us from Badagry. Elegushi, good morning and welcome to Acid Heart.
Hello, Chukul, good morning.
Good morning, Elegushi.
Hello, Chukul, good morning.
I agree to you, Elegushi.
I want to direct the question to Kudi.
Are you here?
I make you receive the heart now.
Okay.
This Fulani headsman, when he said there for pipeline,
okay,
underground.
Okay.
Have you seen how where these people cause problem before?
You say wait, whether you don't hear do it in.
Whether you don't see where they cause Wahala before.
Well, personally, I never experienced them.
I don't wonder if they said that underground.
But from waiting at the here, I know say the situation not good at all.
So now, Nigeria government says everything is on the ground.
Going by waiting Minister of Information talk.
When you support now, when you support,
Now waiting Minister of Information talk. Now they reiterate.
you support or you don't support them. You support or you don't support them. No, they come out yourself for here. First in question, are you afraid? Okay, let Gushi continue, abeg. No let me vex for you.
He support them. Say everything there for
Pipeline, underground. Pipeline.
As I'm watching you on TV now, NEPA.
You are watching in pipeline.
Wait.
Yes, NEPA took my life now. He's on the pipeline.
He's on pipeline.
So it could be. Please help us beg the government and the minister where they in charge for that matter.
Okay.
Let them do things quick.
Okay.
Before this one will cause for the whole Nigeria.
Okay, Legushi.
I have a friend now that is suffering for spinal cord because of that he has because of this Fulani man on his way to Abuja.
Okay, Legushi, thank you very, very much for that contribution. We don't get you, we don't note your own point. Say the issue of pipelines, no to accept them. We get a caller right
Francesca.
now. Francesca, they call us. Good morning, Francesca.
Good morning, Nkubi and Chukudi.
We greet you, Francesca.
I want start by asking a question.
Okay, with the year.
You know, when you promise somebody something, what do you don't do the person?
You don't put the person in mind. Wait, now why?
Answer our question
you don't
quickly.
put the person in mind for waiting in promise.
You have changed the state of the mind of that person.
Finish.
Nkubi, if I tell you now, I will give you car next week. You know, so if you want to buy a car before you go stop.
Somehow, yes, I agree with you.
When these governments want, they promise a lot of things. They promise a lot of things. They bring a lot of propaganda. They bring body language. New
sheriff. Not only sheriff, now Sadiq.
All kind of grammar now. They put Nigeria to fantastic cartoon network. When they draw cartoon characters, the two will go see for Nigeria. Everybody call hope, say, really the new dawn has come. But since they entered, I one excuse to the other. Fulani cattle, if you drive for express road, cattle, they follow you struggle for road. Everywhere where would they go for this one now? Cattle. When I say they for pipeline, somebody said they want to increase tariff. They've already increased the tariff in NEPA. Before, 5,000 credits is 300 units. Now, 10,000 naira credits is 350. When I say they want to increase. What do they want to increase again, join them? They don't increase them now. People know they see life. Nothing they happen for this country. You say, make we be patient. No short-term plan. Not one thing has worked. Not one thing. Tell me one thing where to work.
But at least, Mr. President, they address the issue of corruption.
Tell her one thing.
Mr. President, they address the issue of corruption.
No money. When they borrow state government money, when they take pay worker. When Jonathan did it, they said they give them money. Every one of them. I don't want to talk to them, they be thief and liar. That's why they abuse them. What did they work for this country? What can I tell me?
Mention one, Nkubi. Mention one. She be asking question. Mention now. Mention.
Francesca, who would they hear you at the talk?
Third time.
What did that work?
Fourth time. Answer them.
Big man got to kill big man. Now with the yell. Fulani they keep over people who hear them. Everything pipeline.
Francesca, we know say the vex. Thank you very, very much for pouring out your passionate heart about our country matter on this program. Thank you very much. You get Daniel. Daniel, they call us. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, Daniel.
Nkubi.
Yes, I hear you.
Now you are one for the fight too.
Hey, Daniel, what can I do again now?
Honestly, I wish that maybe Shukudi, I don't you flying all these things.
I don't see. I'm a gentleman. If not, the kind of passion of the things that I have for this country, I would have I go shake it.
Who ask you gentleness? Okay. Daniel, talk to us. They hear you, Jare.
No, it's really terrible for we to say they destroyed the country for 16 years. Let's be realistic. 1999, where PDP entered power.
Okay.
Oil na $9 per barrel.
Okay.
On the average, oil sold at the rate of $16.4 per barrel. So, as a matter of fact, government still do things when people see they feel and say we get government. But as we stand now, during the campaign, oil was $44 per barrel. And as we speak now, dollar is 45 plus. And we see the girl complain, say, there is drop in oil price. And why they were making all those promises during the campaign? Oil they lower than what we get now. So what are we talking about here? Everything is scattered for this country. There is no sector that is not retrogressing. And what are we talking about? What do they defend Buhari for? He knows absolutely nothing about government. I beg, not this.
Okay, Oga Daniel, thank you very much. My own opinion you don't give, and the same way I take talk before. You get passion for Nigeria. That's why they pour out your heart, waiting you feel where they go wrong for the country. I will get another caller. Ernest, good morning. Ernest, good morning.
And good morning.
Good morning.
Oga Ernest, I greet you.
Yes, we hear you, Oga Ernest.
How are they?
We dey fine.
Well, we just get started. I know the situation, everybody power, everybody
Okay.
between the same person for body, as in no carnation, as in, deep inside. But the truth with the matter is this is a new government. Yes, we must agree. Yes, everybody knows that new government with new strategy. First, with the budget issue.
Okay.
Over the years, the budget they don't pass the budget, and since it just quick, sharp, no, just go like this, in rush, put up. But this government, they don't see say, oh, if they keep doing things like this, the thing no go work. Something to be say, they for the people inside the process. Senators just pack and put for their constituencies, put out for their pockets, and we know say senators they don't do anything. Now for the benefit of their pockets, now they represent. Now, to the fuel issue, the Minister of Information, I know everything they talk, based on this and that about people where they bust gas pipeline and all that. As the government they try to talk, they may diversify in the economy. They will also diversify in energy. We get wind energy, we get solar energy,
Yes.
Electric, we get hydro. All these are cheap energy. They don't see from anywhere. You go tap up from the sun. Water they there, wind they there, breeze they blow. These are more natural resources, and government sees and they distribute, they give people. If
Very
you put
true.
Japan now, everything is very, very electrified and very, very natural. Nothing like pollution. And this now we're supposed to invest in this country.
Very
Anytime we say fuel happen.
Oga Ernest, we don't note your point. You don't go vex, say we just enter sharp because we get person who don't wait patiently on top of the telephone line to no vex. Oga Uche, they call us from Owerri. Oga Uche, good morning. Welcome to Asiri. Thank you for your patience.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning,
We hear
Uche.
you.
Yes, I did with you now.
Thank you very much.
Enjoyed this program very well.
Thank you very much.
Waiting me, I want to talk. We say for this country, people don't they suffer too much now. With all of us, even two of them, they try fight for studio. Una know now because of waiting they happen for this country. Now they try let us know.
Okay.
I don't know waiting I could talk about this government. They tell us say they could give us change. We don't they wait for the change, so say we don't they tire. But we will still wait more. I know say maybe one day it will come.
Okay.
But waiting I want to talk now, say this government, when did they enter? They tell us say they come to fight corruption. Now good one be that.
Okay.
Now when they come fight corruption, they suppose we believe say they go don't block all those holes where the people follow.
The money they come up from,
They thief money. Now I dey believe say we suppose get money where we go use work.
Very true.
Things no they work. Nothing they happen. But the previous government where they talk say they still steal money, things be they work. Money still there for the one where they go to thief. Money there the one where they thief. Money they still to use they do work. That means you get magic where that previous government be they do. Why we say this present government no go lend that magic make they
And what if now?
if they know Sabia,
Aguchi.
make they call them for backyard and they say which magic una be they do where
Aguchi.
money they where things they work for Nigeria still remain the one we una go steal.
Oguche, quickly,
Yes.
a quick one. May I ask this question? If in the last government, since they work effectively the way you talk, and you can't be saying maybe somehow, all of them, they be paru, then they try extend the exchange hand. But for this present government, you can't be like say monkey hand. They try stop that good thing where this present government, they try do it in address. Maybe the part of it they cause this problem. What do you think about them? Say maybe if now extended hand, monkey hand, they inside this system, when they make it work effectively.
Well, me, I don't know. All I know is they try to do anything where they go fit do.
Okay.
We Nigerians, but we know they suffer too much.
Okay.
Everything they increase, they go high, they go high. Just like for Imo State, for where they call you now. Fuel na 220 naira, 250 naira. For inside police station, no be say for gallon for roadside. For inside police station, you go see am for meter. Now, for that price, 220 naira to some places 250 naira. Up to today, up to this morning, when we are they call like this now.
Okay,
so the same thing, if we did this country, they see, and if they make us believe, say, are we people for this country? I mean, they borrow us come put for here, and say, we can't suffer.
Okay, Uche, thank you very much for your important contribution.
Very much.
We get Akpewe. Akpewe, they call us from K2. Okay, Akpewe, you did there? Like say the network no agree. Quickly, we go rush enter inside break. I don't even need to talk too much because every Nigerian when they don't call, they speak my mind. And who could be just trying? Who could be you are drowning? Who could be you are drowning?
They speak our mind.
This break, come back.
Yes, we don't enter the final lap of our program as today hot. And just as we talk, we don't give now all the major stories where we get for now. And we'll still collect call from our viewers on top of the various matters we don't put down for now. Chukudi, we don't hear that. People don't call. We don't see different reactions from our
No, we don't see any different reaction. At the same reaction we see. People know they're happy with the way when things they go on for this particular country. And then they express themselves.
Different
they come there, they change talk when people don't talk.
But most of the dominative reaction now say the issue of change where our present government promised us, say we need to see.
There's nothing like most of everything where everybody they talk now say if this government they do something, when they do it like this,
we had a call from Usman.
Usman talks say we exercise patience. Say the country they hard. Uche say we exercise patience. The country they hard.
So
everyone is still saying the country is hard.
That's why I said people's opinion differs. Okay, but most of the dominating opinion will say, okay, change, make we do it. We won't see that change. We get DJ Executive. DJ Executive, they call us. Good morning.
Good morning, my brothers.
Good morning, DJ. We dey fine.
So I greet everybody for Wazobia TV.
We greet you too.
I beg, I won't put my head now for the Fulani henchmen.
Okay, we hear you.
You know, say that you know be today start. I remember when I did small for village, where my mama with one Fulani man fight in Enugu. That was 2001.
2001.
My
15
mama,
years
Fulani
ago.
man used knife. My mama, I did primary school that time. I did small. Now say I enter bush, begin to find Fulani people. And I thank God say they no even kill me that time. And all my prayer is that one day God will bring them hand outside so that Nigeria will sort that problem. It has been long. Forget saying now they can't begin to kill people. And the president never said anything about these people. Nobody, no those prominent people from APC or in Nigeria that is condemning this thing. Because you know why? Anything that got to do with their own people, they know they like to talk about that. You understand? But because of now, the thing don't too much. Now all of them now come begin to pray. Now the president don't send the army chief and the army this into Niger Delta. You understand? Begin the carry hand or to say you fit do it in there. But you don't want to talk about the ones where they kill Nigeria every day. So me, don't be victim of this Fulani henchmen. You understand? I want the government to beg. I need that they beg them. Let them forget about politics. Let them focus on Nigeria. Because this is our Nigeria and our old. We know they don't go anywhere. Me don't travel, they disgrace me, I come back. And I'm not going anywhere. So anyhow way they want, make it be, it go be. You understand?
Okay, DJ Executive, thank you very much for your important contribution. We really appreciate it. We get Michael. Michael, they call us all the way from Ojo. Okay, Michael, good morning and welcome to our city hot.
Good morning, Michael.
Good morning.
Yeah, Michael, they hear you. Michael, they hear you right now. They hear you. Good morning.
People, they suffer.
Okay.
When they hear me,
Would they hear?
the problem is people don't they suffer and they go continue to they suffer.
Okay.
If everybody no put their heads together, election don't pass. To see the year party people. Now this time, everybody's supposed to come together. They say democracy majority rule, but minority go have their say. The problem is, what is the minority saying? Now only Baba thing they talk. Now that matter, everybody's supposed to put in head down. For example, state like Rivers State.
Oga
Michael, reduce the volume of your television. If like say you want to hear yourself as you dey talk, we dey very, very sorry. And we dey always dey talk and say anybody wey call us, make them reduce the volume of their television so that we go get to hear wetin they will talk and the full Nigeria go hear. Unkubi, this issue is very, very clear. Everybody, there's no Nigerian that is excited about this particular situation that we are dealing with. And everybody they talk about CB. But if like say you won't call, they make excuses here on top of this particular program.
You shouldn't give excuse.
Exactly. Now what do they do now?
Okay, tell me the excuse I give.
You have to admit. No, last week Friday, I come on top of this program when I talk say this Fulani herdsmen issue. Now issue when we say we dey talk am like say na just normal thing. Now we don't hear information say it's under pipeline. And you say come here on Monday morning, tell full Nigeria say it's under pipeline. We are doing it under pipeline. We are doing it under pipeline. What is your responsibility before the general elections?
Our responsibility now to talk wetin our leaders talk.
What is your responsibility before the 2050 election? What is your responsibility before the 2050 election?
Chuku, the respect.
What is the responsibility when they play Mogadona?
Chinyere, they call us from Ikorodu. Mind yourself.
Now you don't know your responsibility. You don't know your responsibility now after election.
Chinyere, good morning, Jare. Talk to us.
Good morning.
We dey hear you.
I want to talk about this lights of 18.
Face you.
The prepaid of 18, they say that they give. They give us to prepaid though. But that prepaid they give na kalu.
Hey.
I don't think they give us 100 units. 100 units on compound for my area. Now 5 days they use that 100 units to finish.
Hey.
Like my own house now, they commission my own on the 30th of March. On the 12th, the thing cut off. That 12th now because with the ration things. Now we cannot use our freezer, our AC. Nothing with the use at their house now, they watch you people. Now only one room, I on fan and TV. Finish. The other room, everything they off. So I don't understand the prepared of a TV. This will not be re-prepared. Because the former prepared, people will get our no. My church members they get them. Then tell me say that one better pass this one. Because I explain as this one they work. So they won't kill Nigerian people. They want so far day before. They don't see then they want us, they want change us. We not see any change. You know they happen. This one I just for the few places where they don't get them. By the time we reach all the whole Lagos or Nigeria, problem go there. Problem go. They say I beg them for the thing that they do. Maybe they say they want help us. Maybe they help us well. More could see the change that they do for us. I beg.
But we don't know your important contribution. What do you have to say? They carry Ijebu machine. Baba Ijebu machine give person as prepaid meter.
Baba Ijebu machine.
And they carry give person. No be what he talk. He say na kalo. No be kalo. No be kalo. Now only television they on for the full house.
See, please.
To watch as they on. Thank God for that. Thank God for as they on. Andy, they call us back from Lekki. Answer in question. Oga Andy, welcome back to Aside Hot. Everybody don't ask you question. You don't answer one.
I want to ask a question.
Nkubi, over to you. Is your question?
You are asking a general question, Abi.
Both Nkubi and you.
Thank you very much. Me and Nam.
I want to ask one question.
Udeya.
These Fulani people, are they really in Nigeria?
Well, going by your question now. Okay, Udeya, you continue.
Because one musician sing one song. If you kill your brother finish, now you and who go live?
Strong talk.
Now who go buy their cow? That's my question, the first one. Then I want to say something concerning the power.
Okay.
You get what's in
Bruce
talk about one time. You say the power, the person who is in charge of power, have a generator in his house. That he should start from example. He should not have generator in his house. Now, I support that idea. If I don't say it well, if I am to stop, let the whole rich man and the poor man, let them declare emergency. Set an emergency in generator. Nobody should have generator in his house.
Okay.
Generator should on for 1 month. Let everybody know how this light will happen. This light will go well. If even the member people, nobody should have both
Ogandi,
very true.
Ogandi, thank you very much.
This is your important contribution.
The questions will drop.
We will get it well.
Thank you very much, Ogandi. The issue where you talk about Fulani herdsmen, the Fulani are ethnic grouping, just like Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, or any other one. But we know say they cut across some other countries for inside sub-Saharan Africa. But the Inspector General of Police been talking and say some of them they cross over, enter inside Nigeria based on the way when our borders there and the way when they think they. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic where they come on smoke. Make we continue to discuss issues when they affect us for inside of Nigeria. I don't show before you stand up now. They don't fire you. You cannot see the
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.